Okay, so NVIDIA just dropped Audex 30B-A3B, a unified audio text model, and on Live Code Bench, where higher is better, it scored 85.3, more than 26 points above Qwen3-Omni.
Honestly, Zui, the interesting part is not the coding. This one model listens, reasons, codes, and talks back, one brain doing 4 jobs, no separate voice system glued on top.
Hold on, a single model doing all 4 of those sounds like a benchmark slideshow that crumbles in real life. What do real numbers look like, and pick something that is not AI theater?
On AIME math contests, same rule, higher wins. It scored 91.2 against Qwen3-Omni at 73.7. And on Big Bench Audio for speech-to-speech, it lands at 90, ahead of GPT-4o audio mode. That is not a slideshow.
Wait, if one open download handles voice in, voice out, and coding at the level of the closed giants, what is the closed frontier actually selling anymore?
Access. Right now this one runs under a research-only license from NVIDIA, free to play with, not free to ship. That is the part the industry has not figured out yet. For years, voice AI and smart text AI lived in different buildings. You bolted a speech recognizer to a chatbot, then a text-to-speech converter on the back. NVIDIA just posted one open model that does all 4 jobs in one brain: listen, reason, write code, talk back. Meet Audex 30B-A3B. And here is the wild part, Zui. This is not a small lab tinkering. It comes from NVIDIA, it lands at 1 million tokens of context, and on a coding test called Live Code Bench it scored 85.3, more than 26 points above the closest rival. The closest rival is not small either. Audex is built as a mixture of experts model. Picture 30 billion dials in its brain, but only 3 billion switch on for any one question, so it stays light to run. Behind it sits Nematron Cascade 2, real, named text backbone, plus a separate audio encoder, and a new audio vocabulary on the same architecture. On standard math contests where higher is better, Audex scored 91.2 on the AIME 2025 test. Qwen3-Omni, the strongest open audio LLM before today, hit 73.7 on the same test. On a real software bug-fixing benchmark called SWE Verified, Audex hit 48, the older open audio model hit 23. Twice the score, same problem set. But the real headline is what it does with sound. Audex listens to speech and writes the words down at a 1.34% error rate on a standard clean audio benchmark. Basically one wrong word in 75. It also speaks back at a 1.7% word error rate with a fixed voice, beating CTTS, beating step audio, beating F5. Then the demo that stunned people. NVIDIA showed Audex holding a live, back-and-forth voice conversation with text reasoning underneath, in one model with no separate speech stack. On a test called Big Bench Audio for this skill, it scored 90.0 ahead of GPT-4o audio mode, and behind only real-time systems from Google and a step audio team. The research team compared it against 26 voice systems on Big Bench Audio. Ahead of Audex at 90.0 sit 4 systems, 2 real-time versions of Gemini 3.1 Flash Live, and 2 step audio are 1.1 real-time entries. Every other open audio LLM, including Miyamo Audio at 60.2 and Kimi Audio Instruct at 51.0, trails by 20 points or more. The price angle matters. Audex is fully open, download the weights, run it on your own servers, keep your audio data private. The license that ships with it is NVIDIA one-way non-commercial. Free to study, free to play with, but you cannot sell a product on top of it without a separate deal. For anyone building a voice agent, a transcription pipeline, a customer service bot, or a coding assistant that listens, that license changes the math. The capability is here in one open download. The closed real-time frontier still leads on raw latency, but on capability at 1 million token context, the gap is now a few points, not a generation. Here is the takeaway. 6 months ago, an audio model that could really reason on text was a dream. Today it is one open download, and the strongest closed rival beats it by under 7 points. The era where voice AI and text AI lived in separate buildings just ended. The biggest closed labs are the ones to watch next.
Yeah, that license alone is going to keep product teams awake this week. Subscribe for the next one before the rest of the internet catches up.